Welcome to 600 Carriage House Lane. Enjoy the amazing water views from this rarely available townhome at the Inlets. Located in a fantastic west of the trail location. Nestled between Venice and Sarasota and only minutes to several beaches, marinas and restaurants, the Legacy Bike Trail, YMCA, movie theaters and more. The Inlets is a vibrant, maintenance-free, gated and waterfront community of 237 residences, offering only 16 of these special carriage homes. Enjoy the perfect lock and leave lifestyle at a great price. Light and bright with many updates including fresh paint, appliances, carpeting, hardware, lighting and more. Spacious living area, kitchen with desk and buffet, 2 1/2 baths, and 2 bedrooms. Be mesmerized by dazzling sunsets from the main level screen lanai, and the spacious upper master suite. No worries here, re-plumbed in a healthy HOA with conscientiousness board members. Whether you are looking for a full-time easy care home, an investment property, or second home, you will not want to miss this great opportunity. One fee and you will enjoy the rich amenities including lit tennis courts, bocce ball, fitness, community heated pool and spa, storage for RV or boat, and grounds and building care. Call today for a private showing.